Hello guys, so for this video we're going to start the 5x5x5 Rubik's Cube, and each one of these videos is going to be a small step towards solving it. So like the 4x4, it's the same process. We want to reduce it and then turn it into a 3x3 and solve. So to do that, we need to create centerpieces. So we're going to start with the white centerpiece. So basically, how do we do this? We're going to create the white face. And if for whatever reason you don't know how to create a face, then go to my video for the 3x3x3 playlist. I'll talk about how to create a face for a 3x3 cube, and it applies the same principle. So the white crosses, and then the edges first, and then the corners within the center, not anything on the outside. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to create a white cross, and I'm just going to fast forward through this part just because I already have this done in another video if you want to go check out in detail how to make a face. And where's the last one? It's probably down here. And now the corners. Okay, so that's our white center. So, and you could also do bars, but I like to use the white, creating a white face as if it were a 3x3, just because it's easier for me, and it's easier for a lot of people who know how to create a face. All right, thank you guys. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, any feedback, I'm open to all of it. All right, peace.